Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is gonna be this kind of, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's more of a Valentine's Day look. It's toned down eyes and a pink lip, obviously. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching.
Alright guys, as you can tell, I've already done my brows and my skin. So we're going to go in with the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty palette. I love this palette. Starting off with the color Churro. I'm just taking it into my crease. And if you notice the way I'm holding the brush, I'm holding it on an angle facing up because I really don't want any of the product on my lid, just in my crease area. Alright, now we're going to go into the color Basic, and I'm going to use that as a brow bone highlight. I'm going to blend that kind of into the crease color just so the two colors kind of blend together, creating sort of a gradient effect. And then I'm going to take the Churro color again and just pop it onto the ends of my eyes. I kind of wanted them to look more like a V with only using one color, so I'm just taking that towards the end of my eyes and pulling it in towards just the end of my lid as well. Alright, I'm still using the same color, and I'm using that on my bottom lash line just to add a very light smoke. Then I'm going to go in with Makeup Forever Starrr Lit Glitter Palette, and I'm going to take the color Spark and pop that on my lid. I'm going to do so with a synthetic brush though, just so it looks a little bit more packed on, but not too heavy. Moving right along to lashes, we're going to take the Stila mascara, and we're just going to darken my lashes with that. Now, I'm not trying to do anything extravagant here because I am going to put lashes on, but I'm just coating them just so that they're dark in preparation for the lashes. And for lashes, I'm applying the number 48 and the number 6s from MAC. I stack them together first, glue them, and then I glue them to my eyelid, and I have something with length and with volume. Moving right along to lips, we're going to take the KKW Beauty Pink number 3 liner and line my lips and add a little bit towards the intersection of my lip. I am so sorry, I did not realize that I had fully covered what I was doing here with my palette. That's my mirror. It's because I'm used to a smaller mirror, but this mirror is quite long. So I apologize for you not being able to see everything that I'm doing here, but you kind of see it at the end. Okay, we're taking the MAC Cosmetics Too Matte with Love, adding that to the lips. I did find this color was just a little bit, I just wanted a little bit more warmth in the color, so I ended up taking the Kylie Cosmetics 21 Liquid Lip and adding that on top. I am so sorry that this was kind of blocked by the mirror, but you do see a little bit of the application towards the end here. And then I was happy with the color. However, I found that it was a little bit too drying for my lip. So after cleaning up my lip with the lip brush here and adding the concealer, I added a little bit of gloss, and it's from the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty collection, and the color is called The Most. I love this gloss. So I just added this on top for a little bit of hydration and shine. Alright, moving on to cheeks, we're taking the MAC Cosmetics blush in the color Fleur Power. I felt that it was just enough pink and kind of peach mixed together. And then we're going to take the MAC Cosmetics and Patrick Starrr face powder. This is in the color Hot and Heavy. This is a highlighter, but it's more of a glow. It's not an in-your-face type of highlighter, but it's so beautiful on my skin tone. So I'm just using that to highlight.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys can use it for your Valentine's dates or your non-Valentine's dates or you're just going out with the girls, whatever it may be. Anyways, I hope you found something in this video useful. And if you did, leave a comment, let me know what it was. If there's anything that you want to see from me, leave that in the comments below as well. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!